welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails and you'll get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig related questions. So today I'm going to bring you a review for one of the brand new Amore styles from their new collection that's just coming out for spring of 2022. This is Braylen. And the color on this one is Rose Gold R. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's jump in and start talking about Braylen. So she's a very cute style, kind of a loose curl, shaggy, style. She's got this sweeping bang that does cover the forehead. If you wanted to have complete forehead coverage, you would probably have to trim those just a bit. We'll get into those measurements in just a minute, but I think they work well, as sweeping them aside. She is a full mono top, so you could part her on, in the middle if you wanted to and have, just make those a full curtain bang. But I'm just wearing her the way she came out of the box, with her parted on the left side. So, all right, so I will do a turn so you can see her all the way around and then we can get into all of her specifications. So here she is from the front. These are regular synthetic fibers, not heat friendly. My left, the back, here's my right, and back to the front. Okay, so measurement wise for Braylen, this fringe here in the front is 4.3 inches. So as you can see, I have a 4-inch forehead and these are well into my eyes, so those would definitely need a little trim. Not if you're going to side swoop them though. Okay, so from the crown she has a measurement of 7.9 inches. They don't give a side measurement. Her nape is 4.7 inches. So, but she's got, kind of layers upon layers here, as you can see, giving her, she's just right at my shoulders. So just a little bit of shoulder sweeping length there. So really, really cute. Weight-wise, she comes in at 3.7 ounces. She's super, super lightweight. Okay, so she is a lace front. Knotting looks nice, even with this darker rooting. And then she has a full mono top. So here is that part on the left. Looks good. And of course you got the rooting along the part. I've got good coverage around my face. I did have to bring these adjusters in just slightly for my circumference. These do tend to fit smaller, but there is some extra room here, forehead to nape. Ear to ear, she's fine on me. Circumference wise, I just brought her in just a little bit just to make her nice and snug. So really, really cute. Okay, I will pop her off and we can look at her interior cap construction. Okay, interior cap construction. So here is that part. Looks very, very nice. So when I flip her inside out, you're gonna see she's got actually a double mono top. So she has her lace front here. The lace is a little bit thicker, little coarse. It's, typical of the Adirond's Rene Paris lace. And then she has this extra piece of monofilament here, making her a double monofilament top, which gives you a more natural appearance to your scalp. Her ear tabs are just covered with lace, and they've got a good sized piece of metal in there. And she's open wefted all through her cap. She has a slightly extended lace covered nape. And then she has the pull adjusters. And like I said, I pulled them in just slightly, just to make her nice and snug. They do have some stretch in these caps, but again, these are considered smaller. So they would probably, they're nice for petite heads and average with just maybe a little bit above average. Okay, let's take a look at this color. This is Rose Gold R, a very popular blonde for them. So as I said, she is rooted and you can just see these pretty colors running all through this color. So very, very pretty. So the description for Rose Gold R, Rose Gold Rooted is what the R stands for, is a medium golden blonde and a pale honey blonde blend with medium golden brown lowlights and nape with dark brown roots. So those lowlights are at the nape too. So very pretty, definitely very gold, as the name implies. And you can see the variation in those blondes there. See that rooting? That rooting is going to be you know, wherever you separate the hair. You're gonna see it right around the face as well. Okay, so here we are in just natural light, and I went ahead and took it off so I can get it really close to the camera. So there's your rooting. You can see that golden blonde, that pale honey blonde running through there. There's what they're talking about at the nape. That low light. I can see that low light, you know, running through there too. We'll take it outside and look at it as well. Okay, so here we are outside under the patio cover, looking at this rose gold R. Very pretty blonde. So there's the rooting. Now she has this bang. I'll show you the lace front though. That lace front isn't really gonna show though anyway, but it is nice that it's there. Okay, so here we are in the sun with this color. Get out of that bright sun here to some shade. Let's look at styling and glasses and all that kind of stuff. So as far as her density, she is pretty low density, and I'm not really feeling a lot of tease. There might be a little bit where the hair attaches to the cap, but when I put my hands in it, I'm not feeling poofy, you know, that kind of thing. So that's kind of nice. All right, so she's low density enough. You can put her behind your ears, but she does have these waves and these curls, which, you know, she's gonna stick out a little bit when you, I don't know that she's a behind the ears wearable style, you know? So anyway, all right, so glasses, you know what I'm saying? Like it might be a little much to put behind your ears, but it's not because she's thick with permatease, it's because, you know, of the waves. So glasses on the head are really, really easy. She looks really cute with a headband. Really cute with a headband with these little bangs that, you know, cover the forehead a little bit. She looks cute. Then of course you could just stick your headband in, or scarf, or, you know, whatever. That looks cute. Okay, she has enough length to go half up, half down, but you're gonna have some of these, you know, waves here that come down, which, I don't know. It's not like it's a little spirally cute wave right by the face. So you might have to just pull these, you might have to bobby pin it along with, you know, clipping it back to get it in a half up, half down. And she will go up in a very small, tiny little ponytail. Again, I think you're gonna need some bobby pins around there, you know, to get those other hairs to lay flat. Then you could also twist her, of course. If you can get her in a ponytail, you can usually do a little twist with one of these, you know, put her up in a clip like this, a flat clip like that. That would be cute too. But again, like I said, these little waves up here on the front are wanting to come down because those layers are short enough that they aren't gonna stay back as well. So you'd probably have to put it on a wig head and really work it back, you know, and comb it back and get it all together. And like I said, maybe bobby pin it. You could just also, you know, clip it back like this. That might be a better, you know, solution, to just clip it back, you know, with a little bobby pin type clip or a little claw clip right behind your ear. And then you'd probably get more of those little, yeah, then you could get more of those layers. Also, sometimes with these types of styles, I will twist it to get those little, you know, flyaway ones that are a little short to stay in the clip. So that's another thing that you could do with it. So she's really, really cute. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.